Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi Wordpress Theme e-commerce site build. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in this series of videos we've been rolling along and building this e-commerce site here. And it's starting to look great. But if we click on an item and go to the actual product page, well, it's pretty generic looking compared to the rest of our site. So if we go back to our dashboard here and look at our pages, if we look down, there is no product page to style because it gets generated whenever you click on that product. It gets generated by WooCommerce. But we can use a bit of custom CSS to style that. So if we go to Divi, Theme Options, roll down to the bottom here, and here in the custom CSS block is where we want to put our custom CSS, where we build it in a minute. So I'm going to put a new title in there, click and drop down a couple, / **/*, which is commonly used commenting out for CSS. I'm going to call it product page. And then go down a couple, and in a moment we'll come back here and put in our custom CSS. So if we go back to our product page now, I think the first thing that we want to do is put a background image in so it looks a little more interesting. So I've created an image that's 1500 by 1500 pixels. I want to put it behind here. So let's go to our media and I'll upload it. Drag it across here. And there it is uploaded. What I want to do, I'm clicking on it, I want to find out what the URL is, which is right here, URL. So I'm going to select this and copy this. Okay, to put in our background image, let's select, right click and select. I'm using Chrome browser, we'll get our Chrome Inspector up. And the main area, I think we want the main content. There we go, the main content right there. Let's click down here and say background image. Colon. Now we've got say URL and open some round brackets and close them. And in the middle of them, we just want to paste that URL of that image we just copied from our media. So Control V to paste. There we go. We've got our image in the background. And looking at it, it's not wide enough. So let's use a bit more CSS and make it wide enough. Just add another line here, say background size cover. There we go, that's more like it. That's made it fit the whole background here. And see if we scroll down, just move this down. It does actually, it's enough to cover what we need to. I'm just thinking if we had, no, I think that's going to work. That's going to work fine. So that's good. So what we want to do is take this from the hashtag of the main content all the way down to that closing curly bracket Control C to copy. Let's go back to our custom CSS field and under our title there, let's paste that in. Hit the save. We've got our green check mark. Let's go back. Just close out the inspector. Refresh and it should stay the same. There we go. That's absolutely fine. What I have noticed though is we've lost a bit of our logo there because that's the same blue color as we've got going on here. So I'm going to edit my image and just upload another one. I've still got it in Photoshop here somewhere. Let's see. In fact, I got my brush tool out. Let's just brush away some of that. Make this a bit bigger. Still want a bit of blue in there. Okay, let's save that. Just call it 1B. Now I just changed the name of that from 1A to 1B. I'm wondering if I can just change CSS here, uploads 1B. Well, I can't because I haven't uploaded it, obviously. So I better upload it. Now it's uploaded. I'm pretty sure I can change that 1B to 1B there. Let's try it without having to change that whole line. Not that it matters. Change that A to a B. Otherwise, you just copy that whole URL again. Let's save that change. And refresh. There we go. We still got our little blue color there, but our logo is a lot more visible now. And we've got that lady in there. Now, I think I'm going to want to get rid of this sidebar over here. Looks like that right there. Let's say display. None. Yeah, that's got rid of that. So again, we want to copy that. We don't want to copy the media query, but we do want to copy from the dot et right sidebar down to the closing bracket there. Control C. Back to our custom CSS. Let's drop down. I can get rid of that padding left because we didn't change that at all. Save that. Back to our site and refresh. And it's still gone. Good, that's fine. Okay, what else do we want to change here to make it our own? Add to cart. Let's make this button that nice red colour. What colour is that red? Or that purple, I should say. Hot pink or whatever you want to call it. There it is. Let's just copy that colour. Control C. And let's have a look at this add to cart button here. Of course, you don't have to make it these colours. You can make it any colours you want. Actual. Oh, here we are. Here's the border. This is background. Okay. Let's make the border that colour as well. And the font itself is a kind of blue colour there, so we add colour. And I guess we'll make it white. Yep, that's worked. So again, we've got to copy all of this here, even though they're grayed out. Let's just take them all. Oops. Down to the bottom of there. We don't really need anything past what we've changed there. So let's copy, Control C. Back to our custom CSS. Drop down a little bit. And let's take out anything that we didn't change. Position, padding. We didn't change any of that. Did change that, did change that. Border radius we didn't change. We did change the background color. Font size, nothing else we changed. So we can delete anything we didn't change there. Save that. Back to the site. And let's do a refresh, and that should stay the same again. Good. Okay, that's all looking good. Let's get rid of this line right here. I think that's the main content before or after. So let's just select this. Here's our main content. So it's in the main content class container before, I think is let's have a look. We say display none, it should disappear. Yeah, that got it. Okay, so let's just refresh that. Bring it back. And it was main content container before. It was right there. Let's just copy this at main content container before. I'm not even going to copy anything else. I'm just going to write this in manually, I believe. And back to our CSS style sheet. Drop down another one. And close out that curly bracket right there. And now I want to put display none. Save that, and hopefully when we refresh after it's saved, that little line should disappear. Let's close that out. There we go, that's great. That's off now. Well, I think that'll do it. I mean, we can keep going and keep going. You can style all this if you want to. Just right click. Change whatever color you want it to change or whatever you want to do. And paste it into your custom CSS here. So I hope that's been useful to you. If it has, please like, share and subscribe to our videos. If you're interested in web development, take one of our web development courses below. We've got some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. We've also got some great free courses down there, so do have a look. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.